Gogo Skoteni was at Maggie's broadcast. She was explaining about their relationship with Monde. They were no longer together. Gogo Skoteni said Monde was abusing her and accusing her of cheating. Gogo Skoteni said she never cheat on Monde because Gogo Skoteni made a mistake to bring another man in their relationship. We saw it on Moja 99. Gogo Skoteni said she loved them, the two of them. Gogo Skoteni want to get married to another man. So Monde was affected about that situation. But Gogo Skoteni, what I saw, she said she never cheat on Monde. Even at the first time they were at broadcast with Monde. So Monde told Gogo Skoteni that you wronged me. And Skoteni said, I never wronged you. I never cheated on you. It doesn't make any sense because women and men, we are different. Maybe we see like their relationship is okay because men sometimes they try to forget, but when it comes to men, it is becoming very worse. That's why Monde was acting in such a way. He says Monde cheated on her with a gay what. There is a lot of things Monde was doing to Gogo Skoteni. He beats her what. Yes, Monde was wrong to abuse her, to beat her. If he saw that he is not okay, that Gogo Skoteni did to him, it's better to leave that relationship because Gogo Skoteni says she decided to pack her bags and her child and pack everything, properties, and leave the house because that house they were staying together, they were renting. So Monde, when he came back, that house was empty. Gogo Skoteni was taking care of Monde, giving him everything, money, because Gogo Skoteni told Monde to start a business. At that time, they were staying together. So Monde decide to leave that business and quit, but now they are separated. Monde is back to that business because what I saw, Monde was too comfortable that he was living a luxury life. We know that Gogo Skoteni is a hustler, a DJ. She can make some of the money at the weekends and doing content. That's why Monde was too relaxed because Gogo Skoteni made a mistake. She want to play a role like a man. She was providing for Monde and was the one who told him that I can provide for you. Because if a man used that, my wife told me that you can stay, like you can relax a man. You have to told him that you have to go to work to provide for us. We know that Gogo Skoteni at the first time, he was a traditional healer. She was a traditional healer helping people. Yes, people are giving her a lot of money. At the time she started having content on Moja 99, Moja 99 was paying her. So Gogo Skoteni was paying all the bills and their life now is better because she is a hard worker. So that's why Monde became a relaxer. He relaxed at that time. Gogo Skoteni want to, because she saw that, guys, it shows love, but Gogo Skoteni, the wrong thing she did is to bring another man in their lives. And sometimes she doesn't, so that she did a mistake, and that mistake Gogo Skoteni have to learn a lesson. It's a lesson to her to never bring another person in their lives, because Gogo Skoteni says she want to have Istanbul polygamy, but not to a woman. A polygamy is for men, not for women, because even most of the people told her, Gogo Skoteni doesn't listen. That's why her marriage ruined now. She ruined her marriage with her own hands, because men, they don't forget men most of the time when you wronged them. Because Skoteni says she never cheated. What she did, when she never cheated on Monde. It's cheat because she sleep with another man, Monde knows, and have got him. Or maybe Skoteni was doing it for content or for to have views or to have followers. I don't understand, because sometimes you get followers but your marriage is destroyed. She destroy her marriage because of the attention of people on social media, attention of people on television, but your marriage end up being ruined. That's she did because Skoteni she was in love with Monde. What she did to bring another man in their lives,